So today we're unboxing the Simplehuman Automatic Soap Dispenser. I got this during Black Friday, so I got a really good deal on it. I will also link this in the description so you can double check that. So it comes with a 2-year warranty, which is also very beneficial. So this comes in various different styles. I got the brushed nickel. It's fingerprint proof and it goes well with the items in my kitchen. So, and this also does not have the clear glass or clear plastic that shows how much soap is left in there. I didn't really like that look. I just like everything to look cohesive. And here in the back we have the power button, and this is the charger. So it'll simply just go like this. There's a little magnet, and then you'll plug this into a USB port to charge it. Now, I just unboxed this, so I do not know how long the charging time is for a full charge. I'm going to actually add some soap to this, and then we'll test it out. Okay, we're going to test this out. I have some leftover bottle of soap, and we're going to put the soap in here. Ooh, it's overflowing. Sorry, I like popping bubbles. Okay, just clean this up real quick. And I assume it already has a slight charge, so hopefully I don't have to charge it, and I can show you how it goes. Let me turn on the power button now. And let's test it. So it looks like I have to charge it. So I will continue with this after it charges. Okay, it's charged a bit. So let me try this now. When you get it out of the box, make sure to charge it. It only takes a little bit and then it'll start working. One of the benefits of this is that it dispenses out different amounts depending on what you need. For example, it'll show you right here, if you put it closer to the tip, it'll only dispense out a little bit. But if you put it further away from the tip, it'll dispense out more. So let's give it a try. So this is at the closer to the tip, that's 1 drop. It's 2 pumps. And then that's a little bit more. It seemed the halfway and the further away seemed to dispense out the same amount. But let's try the closest to the tip again to see how much it dispenses out. Okay, I definitely see a difference in the amount that it dispenses out. I know there's been some complaints for some people that it's not consistent with the dispensing. I will, I guess, monitor that just to double check. But other than that, it seems to be a really well-made device, and I think this little sticker will come off. Of course, I get soap on me. There it goes. And then there is a power on and off button just in case you do want to clean the device and not have it dispense out.